Okay, guys, I'm back, and I'm sorry, but I'm really tense because we have tried this for the past 3 times, and it kept on messing up. So, I'm back, Mason Briggs with Joshua Briggs, and he's going to use his Nerf gun with my scope from my Nerf gun, and he's going to do a Nerf gun challenge, and he's got to try and shoot down them Tic Tacs.
It's harder than it looks.
It is harder than it looks, but he got it a few times.
But it wasn't on the video.
Yeah, so let's just wait. Let me get the camera set up. Okay, go.
Too low, too high.
I don't care. Y'all see that? No.
Alright, y'all ready?
I knew he would shoot the window a few times. And there it goes. Can y'all see that?
She gone.
Gone. Filled. So yeah, guys, that was our Nerf gun challenge kind of thing, I guess.
I suck at
Subscribe and like the video, I guess.
Hold on.
And
see, guys, look, this is
that will be the end of the video.
Don't end it.
Okay, fine. What do you want?
Okay, guys, so look at this. Look, so I was shooting with this Nerf gun and failed, if y'all saw that. And then I just got up and grabbed this Nerf gun and succeeded. So comment down below, like this video, subscribe. Next, I'll do this again at some point with something else. Tell me if I should use this zombie strike next time, or if I should use this elite next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video. Bye!
Subscribe to me and Joshua's video channel.
My video channel is Best Dude Ever.
Yeah, and my video channel is just Mason Briggs. But that'll be the end of the video. Subscribe and like the video, and we will make another video shortly. Goodbye.